Hey, here we are, once again, at 19931 North River Road. And I have a different camera. And this should give a better idea of what Ross's house looks like and his property, because the color should be better. And here we have the orange trees to the right, which make really good fresh squoze orange juice in the morning. And we'll be walking up the road, or the driveway, to his house as quickly as I can, so it's not really boring. And who knows, maybe on the way we'll get to see Ross. You'll notice that there are lots of beautiful palm trees and hickory and wild oak. And since I was here in December, Ross has done a lot to clear it out and spruce it up and mow it, and it looks really good. So, here we come closer to the pond. See if I can get a shot. Since now I know how to work this thing. Oh yes, and then there's the creek runs along here. And it's not connected to the pond unless there's a storm and things will overflow. So the pond is over here to the left, and you'll see the cattails and whatever coming up. And there's lots of critters that live down in there. And you can see a little closer there. Okay, back to the road. Down the country. And we're coming to the house. And it's a beautiful sunny day. And he feels really closely over there. You can see Ross walking to the pump house. There we go. Okay. Coming around to the side of the house. We'll go around back again. We've got all kinds of storage space. And here's one entrance to the house and another entrance. We come back here. You can see there's a double wide in the back, or single wide, whatever. Plus there's workspace out back, which is wonderful because it gives them all kinds of places to put his things. The important things and the not so important things. But regardless, they're there for him to use. Here's property. And there's a burn pile out there. Oh yes, and we have our new jacaranda tree here. And he's planted some orange and grapefruit. And then there's the pump house. Oh, you can see the back of the house. Thank you. Oh, good. I'm interested to see how this comes out. The entrance to these is stuff. And we come into the porch area on the middle floor, the main floor of the house of Ross. Nice sitting area with screened-in area. And that brings us into the main floor, where his dining area is. Nice new tile floor that he put in. I helped. Kitchen area. Hallway to the back porch. Bathroom, laundry room. living area. Nice spacious room. You notice the walls on the right tilt in, and that's because of the outside design of the house. This brings us to the back hallway with a door that will go down cellar and a back porch. This gives you a nice view of the backyard where we just were. And laundry room and bathroom. Back around kitchen area. Nice tiling job. And then, as you can see, this living area. And fireplace. And that brings us around to the right. And go up the stairs. Bathroom at the top, and there's the backyard again. There are 2 bedrooms, one on the left, one on the right. And you can see that if you go out either of the bedroom doors, you come out into another nice porch at the top. And that brings us around down to the bed, top floor. And as you can see, Ross brought one of his friends from home to make his place even more bigger. And that brings us to it.